Growing up, my mom always took my sister and I out for back-to-school shopping and lunch. I loved picking out school supplies and new shoes, but dreaded that inevitable point at lunch when she would turn to us and ask, "So girls, what's your 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year plan?" As a 12-year-old, it was intimidating, but as I got older, it got real. But by mom design, asking myself those tough questions allowed me to cultivate and recognize my personal brand, which ultimately enabled me to find the right university, the right organizations, the right friends, the right career. Over the years, through fits and starts and in different technological, cultural, and political climates, I've learned that your personal brand is more than the image you portray on social media, the brands you represent, or even the candidates you vote for. It is all of those things, plus the things that you love, the causes you speak up about, the jokes you laugh at, your strengths, your weaknesses, your work ethic, and the things you can offer your family, the world, or the person standing behind you in line at Saxby's. Shameless plug. Staying true to your personal brand isn't about being stubborn or entitled. It's about honing your strength, learning how to gracefully evolve, and attracting what is right for you. Embrace your oddness and appreciate others when they embrace it too. Don't be afraid to stand up for what you believe in and work hard to get where you've set your 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year plan. Finding that path becomes much easier when you find and embrace your true self. Thanks.